It's me, Becky, Youth Services Librarian here at the Longview Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make our Week 1 Fall 2021 All Ages Craft yarn tree. To make your yarn tree, you'll need from home a pair of scissors and your craft packet, which you can pick up in the library drive-thru, or you can ask for one at the lower floor desk inside the library. Inside your craft packet, you'll get 15 pipe cleaners and an assortment of little rolls of balls of yarn. The first thing to do is to make your tree out of pipe cleaners, and you'll have 15 pipe cleaners. You need to separate them into groups of 3, and every 3 pipe cleaners will get twisted together to make a thicker branch. And you just line up the pipe cleaners to do that and start twisting them like this until they're connected like this one is. So now that we have these 5 twisted, we're going to put them all together, and these are going to be the trunk of the tree, and the top part will come out as branches. So these will get twisted together like so. It's important that you kind of just twist this middle part together, because you'll need these to come out as roots to hold your tree standing upright like this. What's nice about this craft is that it's really, really flexible. It's pipe cleaners, so if you do something that you don't like, you can just untwist it and start again. So I'm just kind of keep twisting and making adjustments so that it can stand. This one, I think I can twist it around a little bit like this. And then these will be the branches of the tree. And then even these ends start separating. And there were some where I would leave like 2 of the 3 twisted together and just have one come off, and some where I would do 3 separations. I just keep making adjustments till it's the structure that you like. Now is the fun part. So I've twisted this and kind of balanced it so it stands upright, and now I'll take my assortment of yarns and just start wrapping them. So you'll get a variety of yarn in your craft packet, but if you have other yarn at home, you can use that too. So I'm going to start at the base, and what I'm going to do down here is just kind of like tie this yarn just with a single knot there and start wrapping. So when I'm doing this, I start with the roots, the base of the tree, and I'm going to do this one all the way down, but you can alternate your yarn whenever you want to, or you can do like a whole block and then come back over it with a different color to give like a striped look or a variety of colors. And then I'm going to start wrapping this up the tree. And so when I tie the yarn on, it leaves a little tail, and I just kind of hold the tail of the pipe cleaners and wrap it with the yarn as I go. And then I'm going to start with another color, like this yellow. And I'll do a little bit of yellow, and then cut it off, and maybe do a little bit of green, and then maybe a little bit more red. So I'm twisting this up and then up into the branches too. So here is my completed yarn tree. As you can see, there are places where the tree is thicker than others, either because I wrapped more layers of yarn or because I used thicker yarn. And as I went through little places where the ends of the yarn are tucked, where the yarn overlaps, there's this one part right here that I really like, where there's like this peekaboo of the other yarn when I went over it with this green. And as you wrap more yarn, the tree becomes sturdier, so it's like less likely to topple over it, but you can still arrange the branches any way you'd like. This is really cool just for like a decoration, a fall decoration, or you could hang like jewelry or ornaments from it. Another idea that I really liked was for Thanksgiving, to write little notes of things you're thankful for and hang them from the branches. At the ends of mine, I have the little fuzz from the pipe cleaners peeking out. If you don't like that look, you can just really easily trim the edges off. And that is it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoy making your own yarn tree. Don't forget to pick up your craft packet in the library drive-thru or inside the library at the lower floor desk. This fall, we'll have a new all ages craft packet available every other week, so stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you then.